Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll share with you the recipe of chicken cheesy pasta, and I'm sure and I guarantee you will love it. If you are a pasta lover and especially a white pasta lover, then you are in the right place. So let's get started. In a vessel, add pasta, salt and boil it until it's cooked. Strain them and add olive oil so that they don't stick together. For cooking chicken and veggies, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add small chicken cubes. Add salt and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes till the water is dried out. Then add diced onion and fry them for a minute. Then add capsicum and fry for another minute. The vegetables should be crunchy but not undercooked. For making the creamy sauce, take a pan, add butter and let it melt. Then add flour and mix them well. Add milk and keep stirring till it's a thick slurry. One spoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, chili flakes, pepper powder, oregano herbs, and mix them well. Now add mozzarella cheese. Add more milk if needed, and 3 slices of cheddar cheese. Two tablespoons of cream cheese and mix well. You can see the stretching of the sauce. That's how you know it's cooked. Last step is to add chicken, veggies and pasta. Mix everything well and the creamy sauce pasta is ready. For written recipe, check out the link below. I am sure you will love this recipe and you will enjoy making it too. This recipe will give you cheesy bite in every bite. So enjoy and do share your experience. Bye.